Well, the fans are... Rudiger. Cristiano Ronaldo. Moving down the flanks here. He's confident on the ball. Good ball control. He was through on goal, but the keeper reacted quickly. Senses the danger and gets it away. Now De Bruyne. The player's using his pace. He's gone for it. Oh, we won't tire of seeing that one again. Great stuff. Well, they've taken the lead, and I wonder now whether that'll give them some momentum for another goal. Vinicius Junior. Back to the keeper. Lionel Messi. Denied by the keeper. He came out on top there. He did well to win the ball back. Cristiano Ronaldo. Lionel Messi. Cancelo. That's good link-up play. This is Courtois with a save. Gets it to safety. Passed into the box. They've levelled the match. Great finish there. It's a hard skill to master. But to pull off a fine volley like that, and you're always going to be troubling the goalkeeper. Players go into the changing rooms. It's 1-1. Both teams have cancelled each other out. Passing the ball really well. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. Good passing on display. Cancelo drives forward. What a great headed goal! This player really is exceptional in the air, and there's no surprise there, the ball ended up firmly in the back of the net. 5 players are coming on, it's a really bold decision. Alexander-Arnold. This is Haaland. Is this a goal? A strong tackle. Oh, this is crisp passing. Salah with the dribble. And the bar's still shaking. What a hit. They're not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. Wins the aerial battle. What a chance. Oh, it's gone in. He's scored a brace. Gyökeres brings it forward. Haaland drives forward. Rudiger with a challenge. It's going to be a drop ball. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. Really good possession here. Here's Robinson. Gyökeres with the ball. Ooh, a bad foul. The referee's looking animated. He disliked what he saw. Plays it short. Van Dijk with a tackle. A precise pass. We're entering injury time. That was excellent. A great game all round.